Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a PDF on Facebook. So let's start the video. Facebook Mobile's app doesn't currently allow direct PDF uploads. However, you can upload the PDF to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox and then share the link to the PDF in your Facebook post. Upload the PDF to Google Drive or Dropbox. To do that, open Google Drive, click on the plus icon and click on Upload. Find and tap on the PDF file. Once it's uploaded, click on the three dots, then tap on Copy link from the menu. Now go to the Facebook and create a new post. Paste the link to the PDF in your post and share. This way people can access the PDF through the link. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.